Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my attempt to fill my 60-gallon aquarium. The last time I did this, mishap occurred. This time, as you can see, I have 3 braces. 1, 2, 3. So what should happen is that these should hold the stress that might be placed on the side walling of the aquarium. So I'm going to be filling this aquarium, and we shall see what we shall see to see whether or not it has a leak or it have any other issue. So as you can see, the tank is filled, right, and the braces are holding. There's no bow in the middle, right? It's not expanding to splash out like the last time, and the seams are holding, right? There's no leakage so far, right? The silicone acts as a gasket between the two glasses and also acts as an adhesive, so therefore the water is contained within the aquarium. Now this will stay like this for a couple of hours. Then I will release the water. On releasing the water, I will take my razor blade and I will shave these little spots off. I will not use the chemical that you use to clean the fingernail nor degreaser, because what will happen is that it will soften too much the seams, and I'm not in the mood for any redo, remake, or any disaster. So I will just take the razor blade and some cloth and I will make the necessary cleaning, right? I am not sure as to the background in which I'll be using, whether I'll be using background, yes or no. So next week I probably might share with you my idea of background. I know that I'll be using a DIY sponge filter so as to filter this tank, and I will show you how I do that in coming days, right? But so far my tank is going on okay. I should make probably about 2 to 3 of these during the course of this year, in which I shall be placing several of my fish that exist within my pond. So therefore my viewers will be able to see the fish I have, and I'll be placing them in a corner at the side of my yard that is nicely protected, covered and all that. Not a fish room, but a corner, and it should provide opportunity for persons to actually look at my fish stock. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for everything. Right, I appreciate it. I appreciate the comments. Bye bye from Fish Keeping Jamaica. My 60-gallon tank, my 60-gallon aquarium, it's complete, and I'm happy. Yay! Okay. Pointing out before I leave, notice I have not filled the water up to the top, because under normal circumstances your aquarium should not be filled up to the top. It should be filled to probably about here, which should allow some amount of natural breeze, airflow on the top. I'll do a video on that in the future. So that's it for me right now. I'm feeling happy, elated and all. Bye bye. Join me next time. Fish Keeping Jamaica. Cool.